Wow.
And then we just heaped it all up just about 2 days ago.
Fantastic.
I'm hoping you can see it from space.
I think you can.
A bit cold.
Cold? It isn't next to the fire.
No, I wish I'd seen that.
Italian way of doing it, and then Greece the French way of doing it.
Well, you guys are drinking more than me, so take a bottle of that.
Let's go. Yum yum. That's a great pleasure. Enjoy, sir.
Well, look, it's a brilliant night. It's a great opportunity for the Southern Highlands. The wine, the food, it's midwinter, it's a perfect thing. You know, a bonfire, the smell of smoke, the barbecue food, beautiful Tractorless vineyard. It's a really great combination. Look, I came along 2 years ago. I've been waiting for 2 years for this to happen again. It is a really fantastic opportunity to kind of just hang out with the family, drink some great wine and have some wonderful food.